After seeing this preliminary data, it seems reasonable to form the following hypothesis. Hypothesis means making a claim. So we are making a claim that the drug A need on average 15 few hours to recover than drug B. And this claim we are making based on the first experiment. So whatever based on the first experiment that we get, we make a claim. Now that we have this hypothesis, we can test it. How do we test that? Repeat the experiment. Take 3 more people, give them drug A, take another 3 people, give them drug B. Now when we calculate the means, we find this. We see that on average, people taking drug A need 35 more hours than people drug B. And this is opposite. Suppose, this is just an example I'm sharing for you to understand. So there is a 35-hour difference now. So when we notice this result is something we did not expect, because we did not actually expect that there will be exact opposite and there is a lot of difference like this. So we decide to test again. In fact, this is opposite of the original hypothesis. So one way of interpreting this is, it is also possible that the 3 people whom we have selected for drug A probably had extreme health issues and unhealthy lifestyles. So our logical mind can think that, okay, probably they had some extreme health issues, that is why they did not recover. Continuing this, we can also say that the person who was advocated with drug B probably were well rested, they had extremely good health, and that's why they recovered fast. And this is also possibility, okay? There's only a probability that we wrongly labeled drug A as drug B and drug B as drug A. These are all possibilities. But then if you want to validate this, we will have to do the experiment again. So when we did the experiment again, we found that again, it was opposite of the hypothesis. So we repeat again. So just to make sure that we did not wrongly label, we labeled it properly and again experimented. And again, the results were opposite of the original hypothesis. So multiple times we repeated this. And every time we repeated the experiment, we get opposite result of the original hypothesis. So after doing all these repeated experiments, we double checked up every little step, and we can confidently reject this hypothesis that we came up with after doing the preliminary experiment.